how to apply coupon codes on Shein. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily apply coupon codes or discount codes on Shein application. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your Shein application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now just choose any of the products that you like to buy. So let me just quickly select this for an example and just choose this desired size that you like and just tap on this add to cart button over here at the bottom, and just like that your product will be added to your cart. Now you can just tap on this cart section or cart icon at the top of your navigation bar just like this, and as you can see you will be seeing all of your products which you have added to your cart over here. Now just tap on this checkout with coupon option from the bottom right corner, and you should land on this payment page. You can simply choose your desired payment method with the express delivery or standard delivery as well, and simply scroll down until you see the option that is gift card or apply coupon button over here. So you can just tap on this apply coupon, and from over here finally just enter the coupon code or discount code which you have redeemed. Now simply click on apply after that, and that should be added as your purchase code just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily apply discount codes on Shein. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.